Hello student, this is the continuation of application of correlation for mass transfer coefficient derivation. Equation 7 along with boundary condition 8 to 10 can be solved using method of combination of variables. What is equation 7? Refer the part 1 lecture. Bz max dou Ca by dou Z is equal to dAb into dou squared Ca by dou x square. What is the boundary condition? 8 to 10. Z is equal to 0, Ca is equal to 0, x is equal to 0, Ca is equal to Ca naught, x is equal to infinity, Ca is equal to 0. Can be solved using method of combination of variables. Consider following dimensionless parameter. So here Ca dash is equal to Ca by Ca naught, neta is equal to x by root of 4 into dAb Z by Vz max. So here what do you do? From equation 7, already you have equation 7, is it correct? So in equation 7, you replace Ca into Ca dash. So what is the equation 7? Vz max into dou Ca by dou Z. Instead of the Ca, we have introduced here dimensionless parameter Ca dash. That is equal to RHS sine dAb into dou squared Ca dash by dou x square. Are you clear? Okay. So this is the 7a. So now convert the derivatives of equation 7a into derivatives with respect to the combined variable neta. So here neta is a dimensionless parameter. So what do you do here? 7a in LHS part dou Ca dash by dou Z. So how will you write dou Ca dash by dou Z? dCa dash by d neta into d neta by dZ. Or you know this concept, d neta cancel. Finally we get dou Ca dash by dou Z. Are you clear or not? Okay. So now what do you do? We don't change the dCa dash by d neta. So you keep constant this side, dCa dash by d neta. We have only concentrate d neta by dZ. Why? Because we have neta value. So we have neta. Neta is a dimensionless parameter. So differentiate with respect to Z. So what is the final result? From the neta, d neta by dZ is equal to, which one is the constant here? X by root of 4 into dAb by Vz max is a constant. Which one is the variable here? Z. So the Z power 1 by 2. Is it right? Or root Z. 1 by root Z. So goes to numerator Z power minus 1 by 2. Are you clear or not? Okay. So here Z power minus 1 by 2 differentiation value minus 1 by 2 into Z power 3 by 2. Are you clear or not? Okay. So 1 by root Z is a variable. So the root Z goes to numerator Z power minus 1 by 2. Z power minus 1 by 2 differentiation minus 1 by 2 Z power 3 by 2. Are you clear or not? Okay, minus 1 by 2 into Z power 3 by 2. So here come to 12th expression, d neta by dZ minus 1 by 2 Z power 3 by 2 divided into Z into root Z. Why? Because we have the neta value in terms of Z. Again we are going to introduce the neta. That purpose only Z power 3 by 2 divided into Z into root Z. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this is the final value, minus 1 by 2 into Z x by root of 4 dAb Z by Vz max. Are you clear? Okay. So keep constant dCa dash by d neta. So finally we get minus 1 by 2 Z. What is the neta here? X by root of 4 into dAb Z by Vz max. So here that is the neta, dCa dash by d neta. This is the 12th expression. So now LHS is over. What about the RHS side? Dou squared Ca dash by dou x square. First we are going to concentrate dou Ca by dou x. Dou Ca by dou x, how will you write? dCa dash by d neta into d neta by dx. So here we keep constant dCa dash by d neta. So we have only concentrate d neta by dx. So neta already we have. With respect to x, the differentiate this expression neta value finally we get 1 by root of 4 dab z by vz max. Are you clear or not? Okay. So we don't want dou ca dash by dou x, we want only dou squared ca by dou x square. What do you do in this expression? You square the expression number 13. Finally we get dou squared ca dash by dou x squared, square both sides. So that is LHS side dou squared ca dash by dou x squared is equal to RHS side d squared ca dash by d neta squared into 1 by 4 into dab z by vz max. Why? Because this is squared, mean the root cancel, is right. 4 dab z by vz max. This is the 14th expression. Substitute 12 and 14 in 7a expression. Vz max into minus neta by 2z dca dash by d neta is equal to dab into d squared ca dash by d neta square into vz max by 4 into dab z. So all the constant values are comes to one side. Finally we get 4 into minus neta divided by 2. Other terms are cancelled. dca dash by d neta is equal to d squared ca dash by d neta square. Finally equation 7a becomes rearrange the expression d squared ca dash by d neta square plus 2 neta into dca dash by d neta equal to 0. This is the 15th expression. What is the boundary condition? From equation 9, this is same as equation 9. Neta is equal to 0, ca dash is equal to 1. Another boundary condition, this is same as equation 8 or equation 10. Neta is equal to infinity, ca dash is equal to 0. So already you know that is the neta value. This is a dimensionless number. This is 16th and 17th expression. Now dca dash divided by d neta, we are going to assign one variable, that is psi. So for our convenience, simplify the expression, we have to introduce the psi dca dash by d neta. So the substituting equation 15, finally we get d psi by d neta plus 2 neta into psi is equal to 0. These values comes to RHS side, d psi by d neta equal to minus 2 neta psi. Okay. Yeah, d psi by psi is equal to minus 2 neta d psi. Here integrate the expression. Finally we get ln psi is equal to minus 2 neta squared by 2 plus integration constant. From this we want to take psi value. What do you do here? Take exponential factor. Exponential mean ln cancel the LHS side. Finally we get psi value only. Psi is equal to 2 2's are cancelled in RHS side. Finally e power minus neta squared plus e power c. So the e power minus neta squared plus c mean this is the power plus mean this is the multiplication factor, e power minus neta squared into e power c. E power c is a c1. Okay, that is the constant. Exponential of minus neta square. So psi is equal to dca dash divided by d neta. We have introduced it here. This is right. Assign the value, that is psi. That is equal to c1 exponential of minus neta square. Here dca dash is equal to, rearrange the expression, c1 into exponential of minus neta squared into d neta. So from that integration the LHS and RHS. Ca dash is equal to c1 integration of 0 to neta exponential of minus neta squared neta d neta plus c2. Okay, so this is the integration part. Obtain two constants by applying equation 16 and 17 as boundary condition. Yeah, ca dash is equal to c1 into integration of 0 to neta exponential of minus neta squared d neta plus c2. Two boundary condition. One is the neta is equal to 0, ca dash is equal to 1. So substitute in this equation, ca dash is equal to 1, neta is equal to 0, neta terms are cancelled. Finally we get c2 is equal to 1. So another boundary condition, neta is equal to infinity, ca dash is equal to 0 mean we are going to apply in this expression ca dash is equal to 0 mean, that is 0 is equal to c1 of integration of 0 to infinity exponential of minus neta square d neta plus c2. From that c1 is equal to minus C2 by integration of 0 to infinity to exponential of minus neta squared into d neta. Are you clear? Okay. So from that C1 is equal to we have the C2 values, right? So substitute here minus 1 by integration of 0 to infinity to exponential of minus neta squared into d neta. So the final expression we have C1 and C2 value. Substitute in this main expression, CA dash is equal to C1 into integration of 0 to neta exponential of minus neta square d neta plus C2. Okay. So here substitute C1 and C2 value. This is the final expression, minus 1 by integration of 0 to infinity to exponential of minus neta square d neta. Here integration of 0 to neta exponential of minus neta square d neta plus 1. Okay. From that CA dash is equal to 1 minus this value. Okay. So the integration 0 to neta exponential of minus neta square d neta by integration 0 to infinity to exponential of minus neta square d neta. So here 1 minus this value, integration 0 to neta numerator and denominator integration 0 to infinity. So this value is equal to error function. Okay. So the what is the error function here? 1 minus 2 by root of pi integration 0 to neta exponential of minus neta square d neta. Okay. So we have introduced it here. Finally we get CA dash, already you know, that is a dimensionless number. We have introduced the CA dash. CA dash is equal to CA by CA naught. You refer the previous slide. CA dash is equal to CA by CA naught. So here substitute CA by CA naught instead of CA dash is equal to 1 minus 2 by root pi integration of 0 to what is the neta value? Neta is a dimensionless number, x by root of 4 into dab z by bz max. So the exponential of minus neta square d neta is equal to this is what is this? This is a error function, ERF function. So this is ERF into neta. Are you clear? Okay. So here CA by CA naught is equal to 1 minus error of what is the neta here? X by root of 4 dab z by bz max. So simply write this is the error ERF C x by root of 4 dab z by bz max. So this is the concentration profile. Now local mass flux at a liquid gas interface. We have the final expression CA by CA naught is equal to 1 minus ERF neta. So this expression differentiate with respect to x. What do you do here? From CA by CA naught take only CA. CA is equal to CA naught into 1 minus ERF neta. Are you clear? Okay. So differentiate with respect to x. Finally we get dou CA by dou x. That is equal to CA naught is a constant. What about the 1? 1 values are 0 minus dou of ERF neta by dou x. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. Dou CA by dou x is equal to multiply with the CA naught minus CA naught into dou of ERF neta by dou x is a mathematical function. What is this formula? You refer this formula in a mathematical condition. D by dx of ERF u is equal to 2 by root pi exponential of minus u square du by dx. This is the general equation. Our case instead of u neta. So what is the expression? 2 by root pi exponential of minus neta square dou neta by dou x. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. Finally dou CA by dou x is equal to minus CA naught into 2 by root pi exponential of minus neta square. What do you do here? Dou neta by dou x. What is the neta? Neta value x by root of 4 into dab z by bz max. So with respect to x, differentiate means x values are 1. So that's why dou neta by dou x is equal to 1 by root of 4 into dab z by bz max. Are you clear or not? Okay. Yes. After that we have to substitute x is equal to 0 in this expression. What is the final expression here? Minus CA naught no change, 2 by root pi no change. What is the exponential term here? Minus neta square. What is the neta? X by root of 4 into dab divided into z by bz max. So here, what is the x value? X is equal to 0. So what do you do here? Exponential of minus neta squared means to substitute the neta value here. So neta having the x value. So when we are going to substitute the x value in exponential form, so the exponential of 0, are you clear? Okay. So neta equal to x by root of 4 dab z by v z max. So when we are substitute the x values are 0, exponential of 0 is equal to 1. You don't worry about 2 pi root pi exponential of minus neta square, that value is equal to 1. So the multiply with 1 by root of 4 into dab z by v z max. So here finally we get, so this value 2 by root pi is right into 1 by root of 4 into dab z by v z max. So here 2 in the numerator, denominator root 4. Here roots, which one is the cancel here? This is root 2 into root 2. Here this is root 4. Root 4 is a 2, is right? 2 2s are cancelled. So numerator 2, denominator root 4. Here root 4 is a 2, 2 2s are cancelled. Finally we get v is max divided by pi into dab is root. Are you clear or not? Okay. So this v is max goes to numerator. Root of v is max divided by pi into dab z. Already root pi is there. These values are 1. So here minus ca naught into v z max by pi into dab z. So this is the final expression. So now come to the point flex value. Flex is the NA. NAx at x is equal to 0. Here NA mean minus dab into dou Ca by dou x at x is equal to 0. So this is the fixed law of diffusion. So here what is dou Ca by dou x at x is equal to 0? Already minus value in this expression fixed law. Minus into minus place Ca naught into root of dab v z max divided by pi z. Why? Because already dou Ca by dou x having 1 by root of dab is right. Dab is the root value. So here dab is there. So this dab convert into root dab into root dab. 1 root dab is cancelled. Finally we get root of dab in numerator part. So here root of dab v is max divided by pi z. So this is the last expression. Total molar flow of capital A across the surface at x is equal to 0. From that you refer the 3-dimensional view. Y is equal to capital W, Z is equal to capital L. So from that total molar flow WA is equal to integration of 0 to W, integration of 0 to L, NAx at x is equal to 0, dz dy. So the first we are going to concentrate dy. The integrate with respect to y. Finally we get integration of 0 to w 0 to L, NAx at x is equal to 0, dz dy. With respect to y means simply we get y value. So substitute the limit 0 to w, we get only w. Okay, are you clear? Okay. So the next we are going to concentrate z value. Before that we are going to substitute the NAx value here. So the refer the previous equation. You take the NAx value, substitute here. NAx is equal to Ca naught into root of dab v z max divided by pi z. So here with respect to y we get w value. You take w into Ca naught root of dab v z max divided by pi z. So here z is another variable, is right? You take z inside the integration, other variables are outside, is right? So now we are concentrate only the z part, integration of 0 to L 1 by root z into dz. Very clear? Okay. Yes. Now we are ready to integrate. What do? You refer the right side. WA is equal to WCA naught into root of DAB VZ max by pi, integration of 0 to L, Z power minus 1 by 2 dz. So here Z power minus 1 by 2 integration, Z power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, the limit is 0 to L. Substitute the limit, finally we get 2 into WCA naught root of DAB VZ max divided by pi L power 1 by 2. So here this is the final expression. WA is equal to 2 into WCA naught root of L into DAB V is max divided by pi. So from this, how it is come equation 23, just to replace the L value only. Finally we get total molar flow W is equal to here already we have 2 is right. What do you do here? W CA naught root L is there. So what do you do? Root L is nothing but L by root L. Okay, so the L by root L is equal to root L. So we have the final expression root L only. You refer the right side. So the root L is written as L by root L. So one thing is very important. We have only the final expression 2. So 2, how it is come root 4. Root 4 is equal to 2. The values are same. So that's why final expression W is equal to WL CA naught root of 4 DAB V is the max divided by pi L. Okay, this is the final expression. So for this purpose only we have to change from the integration part from 2W CA naught root of L into DAB V is the max divided by pi comes to this value. So simple. One thing is very important, students, here. Root 4 is equal to 2. Are you clear? Root L is written as L by root L. Okay, are you clear? Thank you for your attention.